Good morning, guys. Welcome to Namelofi Kitchen Kenya. Today we are going to make some pancake. I have already mixed my flour, so I'm going to apply a little bit of oil on my pan like that. Then I minimize the fire. Then I pour a little bit like that. Then I spread. Like that. Then we wait a little bit. I believe it's cooked. Now I give it a turn like this. You can see. I put some oil again because I'm going to flip it another time. In my pancakes, I don't put a lot of oil. Like that. It's cooking. I flip it again. Guys, that's my recipe, and these are our pancakes. As you can see how they have cooked well. Keep subscribing to my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you guys, love you.